BTC Reaper. My goal on this channel is to teach you how to read the rewards of trading, whether the price is going up or down. Over on total for the daily, we did hit that support level and made another retest. So again, I would watch the next couple days are going to be very important for all of our market. Yeah, it's very important because over the next day, we're going to have more peace talks, hopefully, about if we can settle the geopolitical issues going on. If those peace talks go well, then it's probable that we will fill our higher gaps on like futures and other things. However, if it does not go well, then it's likely we will continue to other support levels. So keep that in mind and keep an eye on things. VWAP is overall in a bearish trend here on the daily. Momentum is pushing down and money flow is weakening as a result. Over on the 1 hour, we are coming up for a retest of our resistance. I would watch for a rejection. If we get a rejection, we could continue a bearish continuation, and that would give us that possibility of pushing to our next support, which the major one is 674. We can get hung up on other areas along the way, keep that in mind, but that's the next major support level. Our stochastic does want to run up. RSI is pushing forward. Our momentum is trying to push up with that VWAP crossing bullish. If that VWAP can stay in the bullish territory over the next few hours, then we can break this resistance and continue forward. However, if that VWAP gets a rejection here, then it's likely we would continue lower. Again, those peace talks are going to be the key role for both futures and Bitcoin and total, so keep that in mind. Over on futures, the positive thing we have right here with this pullback we saw today is we pretty much have filled our gap completely. Now, remember, gaps have an 80% likelihood to fill, so now that we have filled this gap, it does leave us with that gap scenario we covered last night that can help bounce us forward. VWAP is pulling back, momentum is dropping with a red dot, stochastic and RSI are weakening, so again, we need things to tick up over the next few hours and next couple days, otherwise, it's likely we would continue lower. Over on the 1 hour, VWAP is trying to break bullish, momentum wants to push forward with a bullish divergence, stochastic is pushing up, and RSI is gaining strength. So if this can continue to push up here, we can see that money flow continue to rebound and we could strengthen and push forward. Now over on Bitcoin, it's going to be very similar indicators as futures. We did get that push down to that support level. VWAP is favoring bearish on the daily. Momentum's pulling back. Money flow is weakening. Overall, the daily is not very strong. Over on the 1 hour, our stochastic is trying to run up. VWAP is bullish, but it's not very strong, so keep an eye on that. Momentum is pushing forward, and the money flow does want to gain strength. If that VWAP can stay bullish and continue a bullish trend with higher highs and higher lows, then we could make a bounce forward. But if this VWAP makes a lower high and then breaks through that neutral, I would watch for a continuation downward, which could push us right around that 63K. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you have a great night. Hit the like and subscribe, and join us in that Discord.